आओ चले प्रभु के पास, दया का सागर, करुणा का सागर भर। We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our hearts. यीशु राजा आज जगत में आया।
हेलो गाइस, स्वागत है आपका शो। अभी जा रहा हूँ महू की चर्च में, वहाँ पे क्रोसिंग कॉम्पिटिशन होगा।
Churches, esteemed guests, allies in front.
गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन प्रेजेंट हियर। दिसंबर की ठंडी हवा और हमारे दिल में क्रिसमस की गर्माहट, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्बिनेशन।
मैं हूँ अक्षरा
और मैं हूँ जैनल,
और आज की शाम हम सब यहाँ जमा हुए हैं to celebrate the joy of Christmas through music. अब समय है हमारे आज के चीफ गेस्ट से रूबरू होने का। It is an absolute honor to have such a distinguished personality amidst us.
चीफ गेस्ट का परिचय देने के लिए मैं मंच पर बुलाना चाहूँगा वंस अगेन मिस्टर थॉमस जेरोल्ड को।
It's my privilege to introduce Reverend Father Anand, a beacon of spirituality and compassion, who's touching lives through his multifaceted work. Father Anand, born on 13 June 1976 in Thrissur, Kerala. He is shining example of dedication and service. As founder, director of Atmadarshan TV, Atmadarshan Foundation and Atmadarshan Creation Private Limited. He is spreading joy and solace to millions through various platforms, reaching about 2 lakh people daily. With a strong educational background, including a gold medal in English from SFS College Nagpur and multiple master's degrees, Father Anand's passion for serving humanity is truly inspiring.
We are honored to have our first judge, Father Suresh M., as the distinguished member of our judging panel. A member of SVD congregation, Father Suresh being a unique blend of academic excellence, pastoral experience, and cultural sensitivity to our music competition. He holds a gold medal in philosophy from the University of Pune and PhD from IIT Madras. Father Suresh has worked in many important roles, including Dean and Vice Rector at respected colleges in Bhopal and Agra. Currently, he is the rector at Fidodaya Seminary and counselor at St. Arnold School, Indore. Since he is a trained musician and Bharatanatyam dancer, his many talents will surely make our competition better. We are lucky to have him with us today. He will be a wise and inspiring presence in our judging panel. Thank you, Father, for being with us this evening.
Our second judge is Reverend Father Preetham. Father brings a wealth of spiritual and musical expertise to the stage. Ordained in 2016, he serves as co-pastor at Nandanagar, vice rector at Sachidanand Gurukul Devas, and resident professor of biblical theology at KPRT Ashta. A gifted musician, he holds a diploma in Shastriya Sangeet and has composed over 15 hymns. His love for music extends to playing the tabla, harmonium, and keyboard. Let's give a warm welcome to this talented judge.
Judge is Father Dilip Puria. Father Dilip, SVD, is a dedicated priest from Ranapur, Jhabua. His journey began at St. Thomas Seminary in 2004, followed by studies at Rajeshwar Higher Secondary School. Mangalore, Bhopal, Puri, and Pune. Ordained in 2019, Father Dilip has served as an assistant parish priest and school manager in Udaipur before joining the Mahu Community 2022. A music enthusiast, he is poised for the wonderful introduction.
Audience, let's give a big round of applause for our judges.
अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी हमारी सेक्रेटरी मिस एंजलिना पक्सारिया से कि वे आए और फादर सुरेश को सम्मानित करें।
ट्रेजरर ऑफ ICYM महू प्रिंस एका से कि वे आए और फादर प्रीतम को सम्मानित
और फादर दिलीप को सम्मानित करें। Music is a prayer that the heart sings to evoke God's blessings on this competition and all the participants. चलिए देखते हैं एक soulful prayer dance performed by the members of Nannhe Farishte, BYS, YCS and ICYM.
आओ चले प्रभु के पास, दया का सागर करुणा का सागर भरता है मन का गागर। चलो चले प्रभु के पास, ये बुलाता अपने पास। आओ चले प्रभु के पास, दया का सागर करुणा का सागर भरता है मन का गागर। चलो चले प्रभु के पास, जीवन का दाता शांति का दाता प्यार से बुलाता अपने पास।
बहुत ही प्यारा। इनकी आवाज में है मिश्री सी मिठास, इनकी परफॉर्मेंस होने वाली है बहुत ही खास।
Put your hands together for Infant Jesus School, Nandbagh.
राजा आज जगत में आया यीशु राजा।
Such a melodious performance. आपके सुरों में सचमुच बहुत मिठास है, फूलों सी मुस्कान है, दिल में है प्यार। कैरल सिंगिंग के लिए तैयार है यह परिवार।
Coming up next is Kannada Academy Mahu. Let's welcome them with huge round of applause.
Feliz Navidad.